Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I have a super cute bob that comes from Bobbi Boss. I think you guys are gonna love it. Stick around for all the tea. Next review comes to us from Bobbi Boss. The name of this wig is going to be Nora. The style number is going to be MLF257. So I have this wig in the color TFS1B613. It comes with 13x4 lace. It comes with 3 combs, 2 combs on the side and a comb in the back. And of course you get your adjustable straps. So the lace on this is light. It is HD lace, so you're going to have to tint it. So I did go in and I did tint the lace. I used some tintillation spray for the tint, and it's the first time using it. I used the medium brown. So to put this wig on, you guys, this wig is like super easy and super cute. All you have to do is take a couple pieces out on the side and get you some gel and just gel it down, and it literally is a no fuss wig. Now I did use a little bit of spray on it just so that I could get it down around the forehead so that it would stay down and it wouldn't slide. I will tell you that the cap size on this, it's not as big head friendly as I would like it to be. I felt like the cap was a little bit short on the sides, but it's doable. It's not horrible. It's doable. Only if you were pulling up the whole front would you see it. So you will get a few flyaways, and that's because of the 613. It does have a tad bit of shedding. Again, that's because of the blonde color. Otherwise, you guys, this wig was easy, super easy to take care of. Cut a couple pieces down on both sides, slick those back, and voila, you have a really cute look for a pretty inexpensive price. So the price on this, I think, was in about the $30-ish range. I want to say I may have got this from Elevate Styles. I'll definitely leave you guys information below as far as where you can purchase it at. So I do have pros, I do have cons. I feel like the pro to this is going to be that parting area up front and the pretty color and the way it's streaked. I feel like you know, the older it get, it'll probably tame it a little bit. The curls on this, I did have to play with them to get them to behave the way I wanted them to. The front of the hairline is a plus for me because I was able to spray it and make it look like I just came from the salon and give myself that salon feeling. Otherwise, I think this unit is cute. Stay tuned. I do have a couple more things to say about this cute little wig that's coming up. So this is going to be the final look for this wig. So like I said, this one here is going to be from Bobbi Boss, and the name of this one is going to be Nora. She is really pretty. I ended up seeing this wig on Instagram. I cannot think who posted it. It was one of the wig stores. I don't know if it was like Wig Types or one of those. They posted a young lady fixing this wig, and you guys, I had to have the wig. So I went out and I bought it. You guys know I have been taking a break and not been on YouTube for a while. So I bought this wig and it's been sitting around, but it's absolutely gorgeous. The color is TFS1B613, but it almost gives you those gray vibes. It's really pretty. I love how they have taken the 613 and just blended it in. The good thing about this hair is I feel like the older it get, the better it'll get, and it can get big if you want it big, or you can tame it with a little bit of mousse and you can kind of get the curls down. Now I was going to do it kind of in a flip over method or a flip over style, but what I end up doing with it is just almost making a flip over, where I did a part here and then I just slicked some of it back. I feel like usually I'm a left side part girl, and if I wanted to, I would maybe, if I wear it, I'll put it on the left side, but for right now I like it like this. Another thing is you can pull this up into a ponytail or something like that, because you do get a lot of parting area up in here. Now this time I used this tintillations spray. I used the medium brown as I showed you guys, and I do like it. I feel like it blended in pretty well. I haven't been outside to do the light test or the sunshine test, so I don't know how it will look. Maybe I would need to put maybe a little bit of my powder or foundation on it or something like that, but other than that, you guys, it's really pretty. I like that it sits really good and it moves and it's bouncy. I like it. Let me go ahead on and give you guys a 360. So this side and back up, and let me give you guys the back. Leave a link below in the description box so you guys can get this one. Like I said, I purchased it with my own money, and I'm not sure where I bought it from. I'm not sure if I got it from Elevate Styles, but I'll leave you a Google link so you guys can get it. If you already have it, leave it below. If you like it, what color you have it in. I like this the curls and the bounces in this. I mean, I just think it's like super cute. Again, dress it up, dress it down. You can make it formal, you can make it an everyday look. It's just really, really, really cute. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Thank y'all so much for catching the video today. If you haven't subscribed, you know what I'm gonna say. Go ahead on and subscribe to the channel. All my returning subscribers, hey girl, hey. I will see everybody else in my next video. Bye.